Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you're fine. Okay, so today we'll see about two topics, very simple and interesting topics: concrete blocks and concrete hollow blocks. So, see the building, see the picture here, it is made of concrete block. So, everybody knows hollow block. So, that is very famous now. Okay, now concrete blocks have gained importance and have become a valid alternative to fired clay bricks. So instead of bricks, we have started using concrete blocks. And what is concrete? So concrete is a mixture of cement, aggregate. It can be fine aggregate or coarse aggregate. Fine aggregate means sand. Coarse aggregate means gravel or jelly and water. So concrete blocks can be produced in a large variety of shapes and sizes. They can be produced manually or with the help of machines. So for concrete blocks, you have to follow IS 2185 Part 1 2005. IS is as per Indian standards. That is the code book will follow for concrete blocks. So what is the length? Commonly length is 400 mm. It may be 400, 500 or 600 mm. And you can also have half block. So half of that, half of 400 is 200, 500 is 250, 600 is 300 and so on. And the height is 200 or 100 mm. So half of the length is the height, and the width can be ranging from 50, 75, 100, 150, 200 or 300 mm. So that is flexible. Okay. So what is a solid block? It is similar to a brick. It is shown in the figure. It has no cavities or holes, no voids. And even if you have voids, it should be not more than 25% of the gross cross-sectional area. What is the cross-sectional area? Width into height. Okay, you have to leave the length. Width into height is the cross-sectional area. And hollow blocks, we already know, is the most common type of concrete block. It is having holes. It may have holes that are open at both the sides, and the total void area will be equal to 50% of the cross-sectional area. So here you can see you have a solid block, only one solid block, and others are all hollow blocks. Okay. So next, what is the primary use of hollow block? So you have to build the wall. So the building element is wall. So now to build the wall, we use hollow block or solid blocks. And mixing ratio, 1 part of cement and 6 to 8 parts of aggregate. Okay. And the cement use, the resistance with earthquake is good. Rain, insects, everything is good. Okay. And durability, approximately 30 years. It is durable, it will be for a longer life. Okay, now we'll see the advantages of solid blocks. The solid blocks have high compressive strength. So compressive strength is compressive load by area. We'll do in the lab also, you'll know. The strength is the ability to resist the load. எவ்வளோ தூரம் தாங்க முடியுங்கிறது தாங்கும் தன்மை தான் strength. So resistance to weathering, impact and abrasion. Okay, abrasion தேய்மானம் அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் ஆகாதுல. And weathering condition, even in spite of all weathering condition, it will stand. Okay, and it can be molded into components of any shape and size, and it has a good fire resistance of about 400 degrees centigrade. Up to 400 degrees centigrade it can stand fire, and you can rapidly construct, very fast construction compared to brick construction. The construction is rapid, very good stability. If you have hollow blocks, it can be made larger than solid blocks of any size. It is lighter in weight because of the cavity, because of the holes. It is lighter in weight. If it is light in weight, it is very easy to handle. So construction of walls is easy and quick, and the voids can be filled with steel bars and concrete, so you can achieve high earthquake resistance. And there is air space, so it provides thermal insulation. If you have hollow blocks as walls for a room, you'll have good thermal insulation, lesser heat. Okay, and the cavities can be used for electrical installation and plumbing. Those cavities can be used for electrical installation and plumbing work, plumbing appliances. Okay, plumbing, all the wires can be inserted into the cavities. And what is the economic advantage? The production can be started with little capital. So if at all you have any thinking to become an entrepreneur after the end of BE, you can start a hollow block production unit. Okay, so very less capital is needed, very less working time. When we construct a wall, less mortar consumption. So hollow block is large, so only the joints you can fill them with mortar. So less mortar. Brick is of a smaller size, so all the joints will be filled with mortar. Mortar another, the பூசுவோம்ல cement and sand. So இங்கே வந்து less motor consumption and the production cost is lower than the bricks. And limits of application, what is the limit? You have to see that the raw materials should be locally available. Otherwise, if you are going to bring it from a longer distance, then the cost will increase. And hollow block, you're using full cement. Okay, fire brick we use only soil, but here we are going to use cement, so it can be expensive and difficult to obtain. And you need special knowledge and experience of the production process. Okay, now the raw material, we'll see the production first. Or the raw materials, ordinary Portland cement. You can also use special cement, aggregate sand or gravel. Maximum size of coarse aggregate is 10 mm, jelly outer size. And the cement aggregate ratio 1:6, 1:8, we already saw. Water cement ratio, only drinking water should be used, and the recommended water cement ratio is 0.5. So water by cement should have 0.5. The quantity of water divided by quantity of cement should be equal to 0.5. Equipment is shown: pan mixture, thorough mixture machine for mixing. You have machinery tools and block making machines. See, hand operated, fully mechanized stationary machines. The machines are shown. Production process, first you have to batch. You have to weigh the. You take the weights of the required materials, that is batching. Then you have to mix by using a shovel. Na the karandi mari irukkom periya size avladha. You have to mix so that it is homogeneous, uniform. And after that, you have to add some water, the required water cement ratio is 0.5. And in hot climates, you have to protect the mixture from sun. You have to do that in the shade. And molding, you have the molding box, you see here in the picture. You have to put the mixture into the molding box. Then after compaction என்னது குத்துவோம்ல அந்த கேப்ல இல்லை மாதிரி, அதான் compaction. So you have to demold. மோல்டுக்குள்ள வச்சு தான் demold பண்ணணும், வெளியே எடுக்கணும். Then you have to cover the demolded blocks with plastic sheets for 24 hours so that the moisture does not go out. And then you have to keep after that 24 hours you have to keep it under water, or you have to spray water for 7 days. You should not expose to sunlight, and you have to keep in the dry. After 7 days you have to take out, you have to keep in the dry condition. You have to store it for 2 weeks, overuse it. So quite simple. So the equipment, you have manual press machine, semi-automatic press machine. You see in the picture there is a machine. And mold for full size block and half size block. You can also have a hand press. Okay, so quite simple. I just go through. Thank you. This is the end of this lecture, part 1. Part 2, I'll have light weight concrete blocks.